Frustrated by the Wmasf module DLL software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. Before the technical guide for Wmasf module, I've linked a maintenance resource to help stabilize your background processes. This is the Wmasf module, the Windows Media ASF support library. It provides unmanaged routines for parsing advanced systems format, ASF containers, managing the data link between media streams and the system rendering manifest. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. This problem affects a core Windows DLL. Start command prompt with administrator rights and run sfc/scan now, so Windows can verify and restore system files such as Wmasf module. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Wmasf module component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /cleanup-image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. The version of Wmasf module DLL found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. Review options for improving system stability and resource management by consulting the diagnostic information linked below for Wmasf module. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter Wmasf module critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.